Today, we are going to set up the Waterlock system ahead of its installation. Let's get you set up on the Waterlock app. Go to the Google Play Store or Apple's App Store and search for Waterlock. Once you have found it, install the app. Once the app is installed, you will be able to register for a Geo account by selecting Sign Up. You will need to review and accept the terms and conditions prior to creating your account. Enter your email address and chosen password into the respective sections, and once completed, click Create Account. The Waterlock system will send you an email with a validation link. If you cannot find the email, please check your junk folder. You need to complete the validation process in order to use the app for the first time. This is the hub. It plugs into your internet router and it will connect the devices in your Waterlock system wirelessly. Remove the hub from its box. The hub has two buttons with LEDs on the top and two connections on the back. The link button is on the left, along with the status LED for wireless pairing. The cloud button is on the right, along with the status LED for the cloud service connection. On the back of the hub, there is an Ethernet socket which connects the hub to your broadband router. There is also a socket for mains power. First, you will need to connect your Waterlock hub into a spare Ethernet port on your broadband router using the Ethernet cable provided. Connect the other end into the Ethernet port on the hub, ensuring there is a positive click. To power the hub, you will first need to construct the power supply. Assemble the power supply by twisting the pins on the adapter in a clockwise direction until you hear a click. Once you've done this, simply click the USB end of the power cable into the top of the power adapter and plug into the socket you wish to use. Connect the power adapter to the hub and the hub will be powered on. The hub comes with pre-installed firmware that may automatically update once connected to the broadband network. During the update, the two status LEDs on the top of the hub will flash green alternatively to indicate that the update is in progress. Depending on the speed of your connection, the update will last for approximately 4 minutes. Do not disconnect the power from the hub or broadband during this time. Once the hub has updated and is ready to pair with the sensor and valve controller, the status LEDs will show as red on the left and green on the right. Now, go to your app and follow the steps to link your Waterlock account and hub together. In this section, we will look at how to activate the sensors, which detect standing water in your home. Before you activate the sensor, ensure you have it installed and connected the hub. Your Waterlock system can accommodate multiple sensors. The sensors supplied in the starter pack will be pre-configured to connect to the system automatically. All you need to do is turn over the sensor and remove the white battery tab to activate the device. The LED located on the back will begin to flash to indicate the sensor is powered. This will then establish a connection with the Waterlock hub. For any additional sensors, you need to add them to your system manually using the Waterlock app. Go to Settings, Manage Devices, add a new device, and follow the instructions on screen. Placing sensors is critical to the effective operation of your Waterlock system. The Waterlock sensor detects standing water using two small metal springs on the underside of the device. The device needs to be placed horizontally on a flat surface near the potential source of a leak that allows any escaping water to travel underneath. Mounting the sensor on a wall, shelf, or in a raised position away from the location of a potential leak will prevent the sensor from detecting and reporting standing water. So what locations are good for placing sensors? In kitchens and utility rooms, you can place it near appliances such as dishwashers and washing machines. In loft and roof spaces, you can place it near a cold water storage tank or exposed water pipes. And finally, you can place it in a location where there has been a previous leak or water damage, as there is an above average chance of further leaks in the same place. If you are concerned about bad seals round bathtubs or shower trays, it may be useful to place a sensor in the bathroom. Finding a good spot for a sensor in a bathroom that avoids unhelpful high humidity and standing water notifications, such as when somebody is taking a shower, could prove difficult and isn't practical in all cases. Let's look at how to activate the valve controller. This can be linked to your system in preparation for the installation. Before you progress, ensure you have installed and connected the hub. First, squeeze the sides of the main case while simultaneously pulling the sides of the faceplate away. This will expose the batteries. Remove the white battery tab to activate the device. The LED will flash to indicate that the valve controller is powered. Click the faceplate back into place. The LED hole should be at the top. If you have the Waterlock app open and the valve controller icon has not yet appeared on the device list, please wait up to 15 minutes for the pairing process to complete. This is the valve. It is a device that turns off your mains water supply instead of your existing stopcock. Please leave this in the box for your installer. We hope you found this video useful. If you would like any further help, then please follow the link to our website at the end of this video.